I was in a math class and I looked over and go, wow, that is the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. I thought I put a move on her, even though I didn't have any moves. So as the class was over, we went outside and I was talking to her and she kept looking back. Pretty soon, the guy came out of the science center. She'd been waiting for him. I'd given up.
And then I asked him out the first time.
We got engaged my senior year and then got married after I graduated. I had plans on starting my own practice. Away we went. A little scary.
He loved what he did, and it showed. And it showed to his patients. And I supported that because I knew what it did for him.
You have to love what you do. I know so many people that are counting down the days to retirement. That's no way to live a life and no way to go through your careers.
I love balancing. I was a math teacher. I should have been an accountant.
I hate that kind of stuff. She'd balance things to the penny. If she couldn't find that nickel, she'd go looking for hours. I said, it's not worth spending hours trying to find a nickel. She would do it though.
I didn't like dealing with people. He's a lot better dealing with people. So I was right where I needed to be, behind the scenes and doing the books. We were quite a team. So it worked out really well.
I started putting all my savings into real estate. So we had several turnkey operations right here in Casper. And I thought, well, that'll be my retirement, So I started sitting down and looking at the numbers. And I thought, boy, this isn't adding up very good. I'm going to have to figure out something else. And one day I was flipping through my Facebook and there was Phelps, Freedom Founders. And then, of course, I went online, checked them out, looked for any bad reviews I could find, and I didn't find any bad reviews. So I told Cindy, I said, I think we need to go to this. That was 2020 and first meeting was online,
I thought, you expect me to sit in front of this computer for 3 days?
I heard it. We literally sat there for 3 days and watched that. I think the first day we're convinced we needed to do it.
Freedom Founders has opened up a whole new world for us and education on the possibilities that are out there. When he sold the practice, I was so close to all the staff. I was there every day. It's been a lot harder for me.
And that was really surprising as much as I love dentistry. I thought I'd really, really miss it, but it hasn't been that difficult to walk away.
Steve has said several times that if we had not found Freedom Founders, I don't think we would have been prepared to walk away financially.
I noticed that the most Sunday evening, it's like, I don't have to think about going to work tomorrow,
I look forward to being more there for our grandkids and just the moments in their lives and probably travel too.
Well, freedom to me is waking up in the morning and it's kind of like before you had kids, you just get up and go do something. Well, that's what we can do now. We just, hey, let's go do that.
Freedom for me, being the one that takes care of the books for years, is financial freedom. Just the worry of everyday life expenses we don't have to worry about. We know that that's there and it's taken care of. My advice is life is short. It doesn't seem that way when you're young, but it goes fast. So you need to pinpoint what's really important in your life.
Pursue your passion. Your life focus starts pursuing something that you really love.
And just make the most of every moment you have.